Need to sign into Google Meet. Whether you're joining an online class, attending a work meeting, or starting your own video call, signing in with your Google account only takes a minute. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sign into Google Meet in 2026. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Google Meet website. If you're using the mobile app, simply open Google Meet from your device. Make sure you have an internet connection before continuing. Next, click the Sign In button if you're using the website. On the mobile app, you'll be prompted to choose or add a Google account. If you're already signed in, Google Meet may take you directly to the home screen. Enter your Google email address, then click Next. After that, enter your password and continue following the on-screen prompts. Take your time and make sure you're signing in with the account you want to use for meetings. If your account uses two-step verification, complete the security check using your preferred verification method. This extra step helps keep your Google account secure. After signing in, you'll arrive at the Google Meet homepage. From here, you can start a new meeting, join an existing meeting, or view your upcoming meetings. Everything you need is available from this main screen. Finally, check the profile picture in the upper right corner to confirm you're signed in to the correct Google account. So you're ready to host or join your next Google Meet session, and that's how to sign in to Google Meet. Once you're logged in, you can quickly join meetings, create new ones, and collaborate with others from almost any device. Signing in with the correct Google account helps keep all of your meetings and schedules organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.